Hello, in this video we are going to see an example of selecting an option by its value from a drop-down. So here we are opening a page, clicking on drop-down link and getting the drop-down element, and then select by value method we are using to select an option by its value, that is option 1. So this is drop-down link, and then this is drop down list, and we are selecting this option. So let's run it, key and then test method name. So script has started running the test. Browser instance created, open the site, using drop down, and why this failed. Let me see. Oh, it's a visible text, not a value. Value is 1. Let me show you. Its value is 1 and not the option 1. Option 1 is visible text. Let me rerun it. This time it will pass. Running test. Opening browser, opening the site, drop down link, and option 1 is selected. That's it. Because option 1 was visible text and value was 1. Thank you.